Toppers Talk NEET 2023. Without guidance, you cannot achieve. There should be someone to show the path. Your parents are there to hold your hand and they will walk with you. But somebody should be there to show the path. So for that, a guru is needed.
I once again congratulate the students as well as the teachers for this achievement.
To Mr. Jacob Bivin, All India rank 36. Mr. Shushruth J, All India rank 348. Mr. Adithya Sai 691. Mr. Divyanth 666 out of 720. Mr. Akilesh Anand 661 out of 720. Mr. Saravan Karthik 655 out of 720.
Yeah, I won't deny it will be a very difficult journey because this is one of the most difficult exams in the world, and so there's a huge pressure associated with it.
So Fiitjee, they give you difficult paper to train you for the bus, but you have already prepared for the best.
Make a perfect study plan for physics, chemistry and biology. So is it required to make a special plan? Are formula booklets important?
Clearing the concepts, asking all doubts, like answers are accessible anytime. We can ask doubts without any hesitation. So as long as we keep asking doubts and clearing our doubts, we will be clear with the concept. So until we are clear with the concept, ask doubts.